Excuse me. Pardon me from that cough from the intro. But what's going on, you guys? Larry Guitar 1999 on YouTube. I just had something go down the wrong throat, so I'm not sick or anything. Well, I'm gonna go find out early in the morning. So for today, we're gonna rebuild the Gohan truck, cause I kind of missed that vehicle. So can't believe I'm coughing up a storm. I'm gonna go down the wrong pipe, but this is not what we're here to talk about. But we're here to talk about the Gohan truck. So obviously it was orange. Excuse me again. So sorry about that. Alright. Let's go make some cash. I'm gonna go make some cash quick. Since we're out here, whoa. Yeah, the trailer's not happy right now. It's been glitching through the bottom of a lot of the maps for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, what the hell? How's that $8? Alright. Alright, time to get back to the Gohan truck here. So obviously, I'm gonna do chrome rims because I think it makes sense. But first, I want to make sure they are chrome to begin with. Alright, now we're gonna decide. No. No. You know what? I kind of want to go with those. You know, it's something simple. Now, the tires, we'll go the white letters. Or the writing. It's starting to look nice. I don't mind the bumpers. No, we ain't making it a flatbed. Now, the next decision I have to decide, do I make this like a diesel style? Or do I make it just a gas style? Something like, you know, like this, kind of. Well. And the thing's already got tow mirrors, realistically. They're the old style truck tow mirrors, which I like. I mean, these are nice too, but I mean, the other ones are better. And let's get a jack, a winch. Alright, now I should work with suspension. Well, let's decide what do I want. Trophy Pro. What the hell happened with the suspension here? With the independent, it almost looks like the axles are snapped. Beamed. I don't feel like monster truck. Trophy, no. Don't mind doing pro. I mean, to be honest, I kind of like pro a little bit better for this situation because, one, it's got way more stability, which is nice. And especially the fact that, you know, with the stability I like about it. And I mean, there are some disadvantages I don't like. At least do that style axle, but I'm going to leave the regular brakes. If it'll let me change it so I can have more ground clearance. Alright. I'll probably end up doing this in 2 parts, like I did in the when I did the video, when I do most of my videos, because it seems easier, so it doesn't drag on and get boring after a while. But like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Actually, and here's another favor I have: tell me what you like and don't like about the video down below in the comments. I would really appreciate it. You know, even if you don't like, dislike, I don't mind. Just, you know, give a reason, you know, like saying something down below in the comments, you know, what you don't like. But, you know, don't go, start being hostile to me and all that. But we get the point of the matter. But like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.